Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to pre-generate your Minecraft world to improve performance. Pre-generating your world means that your world is generated with a plugin, command, mod, or data pack, so your server doesn't experience immense lag when players are exploring. In this tutorial, we'll be using a plugin to do this. It's recommended you try this for your server, as this is one of the main causes for server lag. Pre-generating should be done before making the server public and anyone playing on it. In order to do this, you'll need to have this plugin installed. As always, we'll leave the link to it in the description. When you're on the download page, all you have to do is click the Download Now button. That should instantly download the plugin file. When the download is finished, you need to head to your server. Make sure that on the dashboard, your server is set to Spigot or Paper. We recommend setting it to Paper. This is because Paper is generally considered to be more performant in comparison to other Minecraft types. This is due to further optimizations found in the server code. Paper also includes timings, enabling you to find out what's slowing down your server so you can tackle it and increase performance. When you've done that though, click on the Files tab on the left, and in that section you should open up the Plugins folder. All you have to do here is drag in the plugin file you just downloaded, and that's it, the plugin is installed. Before proceeding, make sure to restart the server for the necessary files to be generated. When that's done, you should head to the server dashboard and copy the host name. Afterwards, launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server, and in the server address section, paste the host name. Once that's done, head into your server, and when you're loaded in it, it means we can now start pre-generating the world using commands. The first thing you should be doing is setting a world border. A world border is important because it can prevent super large file sizes and lag on your server. A good world border rule is to start off with a 1000 block radius and then increase the border slowly as exploration in game goes on. To get a world border set up, you should type in the command /world border set and then the radius you want your border to be. I'll be setting it to 1000 as an example for this video. The radius number you set it to is the part of the world that is going to be pre-generated on the server. To pre-generate that border, you're going to want to use the command /fcp fill vanilla and then set a chunk buffer. The chunk buffer is how many chunks outside your world border you want to have pre-generated. We recommend doing somewhere between 5 to 10. That's so if players are on the edge of the world border, they're not generating chunks outside of it and causing lag. After that, you want to type in the name of your world. Since our world is just called world, I'll type that in and press enter for the pre-generation to start. If your world name has spaces in it, this could cause issues, so you need to change the spaces to underscores or change your world name to a simple word. If at any point you want to see how much of the world is left to generate, you can use the command /fcp pending and it'll say generating chunks and the percentage of how much has been generated. If you don't want to have to keep using the command though, you can also refer to the console section on your server. There you'll see live updates of the chunks generated and how many are left to go. During this generation process, you should not be playing, so make sure you set aside some time to do this before letting other players on the server. After a while, the chunk generation process will complete and you'll know it's done when it says 100%. If you then go on your server and walk around, you'll see that lag is minimal since the chunks set have already been generated. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from my channel. Thank you for watching!